Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on our CT5 Powersport battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When the Powersport charger is powered up, the green power LED lights up, along with an orange LED that corresponds to whichever mode the unit was in the last time it was switched off. If this is the first time you've used the charger, it'll be in normal mode. When the first check LED lights up, the charger's using its desulfation program to safely remove harmful sulfate from your battery. It's also making sure your battery can actually take the charge. The second charge orange LED means the charger is in the regular charging phase. This fast charging program safely charges your battery to its maximum capacity. When the third green care LED lights up, your battery is fully charged. Now, when the battery is fully charged, you can safely keep the Powersport charger connected to the battery for long periods of time, so it's ready to use when you need it. Now, like all CTEK chargers, the Powersport charger is extremely safe and reliable. It's short circuit proof, splash and dust proof, and if you accidentally touch the clamps together, it won't spark. If the red error LED on the top left of the charger lights up, there are a few things you'll need to double check. One, are the clamps on the right way round? Red on the positive terminal and black on the negative terminal, or to ground or earth. Two, is the battery you're charging a 12-volt battery? And three, has the charging process been stopped at either the first check step, which will mean your battery might be seriously sulfated and it won't accept the charge, or at the second charge step, which will mean your battery can't be charged or can't hold its charge. If you're still unsure, try the charger on a known good battery just to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about your CTEK CT5 Powersport battery charger and maintainer. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.